So you're looking for a way to get your first 1,000 email subscribers and you want to leverage YouTube to do that. Well, in today's video, you guys, I'm going to share with you all 3 tips that will help you to grow your email list to 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 subscribers leveraging YouTube. Let's go. All right, so the first thing that you really want to do is to identify the keywords and what is your target person actually looking for. The one thing that I love about YouTube is that it's a search engine, which means that people come to YouTube and they're looking for a specific thing. And so you really want to know, what is your ideal person looking for on YouTube? What is the solution that they're looking to gain from YouTube, and can you provide to them in a video that solution so that they can walk away and have their needs met? So first and foremost, it's all about really doing some keyword research. You can use tools like Keywords Everywhere. You can use the Google Keyword Planner. You can also leverage YouTube in order to find out exactly what people are searching for on YouTube, and you can do those videos. You can do that content and you can help them solve their problems. So there's nothing more frustrating than honestly doing videos and there's no one looking for them, right? And people do it all the time where they do these videos and they're super excited about starting a YouTube channel and they go out there and they start doing videos and they're not getting any views. And it's really because they didn't do this research to find out what their audience is looking for and deliver that up to the actual audience. So number 1, gotta do some keyword research. So the next thing you want to do is you want to create a value-based video, and you want to create value-based videos pretty consistently on YouTube. So I would say, really decide on how often can you upload to your channel. So can you do it once a week, right? Twice a week. But I would say don't overdo it and say like, I'm going to upload videos 5 days a week, because you really want to create a schedule for yourself that you can stay committed to. So if you can only do 1 video a week, that's totally fine. Do the 1 video a week, and it's so much better than you starting out doing like 5 videos and then you just disappear from the platform. So create value-based videos. So based upon those keywords that you found that people are searching for, then you want to create value-based videos. And so just release them every week. So maybe on Mondays at 8:00 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, you release a new video, right? And so keep that schedule with them and release those actual videos. One of the things that YouTube is way more concerned with than thumbnails and all these different things and pranks and stuff is they're interested in people watching your videos and is consuming as much of the content as possible. So if you create a value-based video, people are more likely to watch more of that video, and it will really help your channel because YouTube will now start to push your videos into the news feeds because they know that, oh, this is a video that people really want to watch. So for your actual target person, your keywords and stuff like that, create value-based videos, upload, content consistently. So at the minimum, once a week, upload those videos, and you'll find yourself really getting some traction here on the actual YouTube platform. Now let's get into this next one. And this one is like really critical. And this is how you're going to get your actual email list to 1,000 people. Let's go. So we've identified our target, keywords and stuff like that, what our videos are going to be about. We are also, creating valuable-based videos. We have a consistent schedule. We're uploading weekly or, twice a week, whatever the case may be. Now, here's the thing that you really want to do in order to grow your email list, and that is to have some sort of free offer, some sort of free thing that you give away to invite people to take the next step with you. So let's just say you're a health coach, right? And so maybe you have a checklist of some of the ingredients that we need to really be careful that are not in our food, right? So maybe you have a checklist that we can, pull out, and we have some, check these items and make sure they're not on the labels on the things that you're actually buying, right? Or maybe you are a productivity coach, right? And so now you have a checklist of the 5 apps that help you be super productive in your business, and you want to give that away, right? Maybe you have a discovery call or something that you're giving away from your YouTube channel. You want to definitely have that in your description. So you want to think about who is it, based upon who your ideal person is, what would be something that would entice them, that would be something that they would incentivize them to give you their email address. Okay. So you really want to think about that. Is there a checklist, a guide, a mini course? What can you actually give away to them in exchange for their email address, and something that is of value? I always say, listen, make sure it's not just some like junk that you're just giving away, but it's actually something that is going to be of value to them, that they'll feel like will help them in their business, in their life, right? So really think about that. And also you want to be giving that away in your description on your YouTube channel, and it will help your list grow really, really fast when you have something like that. When people feel like, okay, I'm watching this video now, the next step I'm going to take with her is I'm going to get her free gift. I'm going to get her free checklist, her free guide, her free mini course. And now that's going to help me down the path even more. And so once they're on your email list, then you can start to email them. You can invite them to phone calls with you. You can invite them to webinars. You can invite them to events, right? So pretty much whatever it is that you want, you can take them down the path with you. So drop me a comment and let me know. I want to hear from you guys. Are you growing your email list? Okay. And what questions you might have for me about growing your email list, put them in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Now, if you're watching this video, you guys, and you want to know how to actually monetize YouTube, you want to know how can you make money with YouTube, then I'm going to put a link to another video that you guys can watch, and you can learn how do you really monetize this actual platform, all right? So listen, going over to that video, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.